This is my first load, and right away I have a problem. Things are not looking good because this tire right here is not only flat, but check this. This is the stuff we use it will be like the air supply system, but it's broken. So I'm not sure if the shop is gonna be able to fix this, or they may just want me to do a flip on it. We'll see. If I need to do a flip on it, it means it's gonna take me longer. You see, it's supposed to be like kind of like this. Actually, I'll show you a better one. It's supposed to be like this, but for the other one, this here is broken, this is broken off. How that happened, I have no idea. This thing is all rusty. Look at that. Dang. We'll see. So I'm gonna head to the shop and see if they will do anything for me. If not, they will ask me to do a flip on it, which means I'll have to drop this, pick up a chassis, and do a flip. Let's get out of here.
Nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you.
It's 52 degrees. To some of you, it may not be that cold. To me, woof, it's chilly. So that's why you see me putting on like this. Otherwise, they're gonna be able to fix it right there. So that's a plus for me. Let's see what we got here. Look, they put on a new rim, I guess. Got it fixed. Good to go.
I just feel so lucky.
So my first load here is gonna be an Amazon drop and hook. I have a load delivering, and then I also have a load picking up out of Amazon. The challenge though is, as I was coming in, I saw the line. It's a really, really long line. So I don't know how long it's gonna be before I get out of this place.
Turn left on I-20 West.
Now, if I only had a pickup, chances are they would let me go use the exit gate. Usually they have a plan like that for us. When the line is long, we will use the exit gate to get in.
1/2 mile. Arrive at Amazon Dallas on the right.
And pick up our loads. But since I have a delivery, I only have to go through the front gate. And this morning this place was closed because of the storm. So I guess that's probably why there is a backup. So right now here is the backup. Now sometimes some of these guys are going in this Amazon has like 3 lanes, so some of them are going like in the live loading or live unloading. We go in the middle lane, but when I was coming in, I saw that also the middle lane was kind of packed. So I'm gonna park here, and then I'm gonna walk there and see kind of see what the situation is and take it from there. I just checked and there's a line in every lane, so looks like the wait is gonna be a little bit. And if I'm not mistaken, these guys do a shift change at around maybe 5 o'clock. Right now it's about 4:45. So I don't know.
Can't believe you love me.
Believe it or not, I made it all the way to the gate, and now they're saying that I was in the wrong lane. I have to go back. Every time I come here, I'm always in the middle lane because we are dropping off, I think what they call totes. They're like containers they use to ship their stuff. So that's what I always bring. Now the lady tells me that today I don't have totes, I have like some stuff. So she says I was in the wrong lane, so I have to go back all the way around. She won't process me. She wants me to go back all the way around and get in the right lane, which is for loads. And I also have a pickup, but she couldn't process me. She said, no, you have to go back. And I told her, listen, every time I come here, I'm always in the middle lane, whether I'm dropping off or picking up. She's like, yeah, but today you have freight, you don't have totes. I'm like, how am I supposed to know if I have totes? She showed me the paperwork. It doesn't say totes because it's a dummy bill that I have. But she showed me some numbers, and she's like, if it was totes, these numbers would be different, but this means what? Man, that has been like, I've been more than an hour in lane. So I have to go back. Hopefully by the time I get back that side, because the line I'm supposed to go in right now has like 2 trucks in it. So if I can get out of here real quick and go back there and be able to squeeze my way past all the other trucks, I may be able to get back in line instead of being on the road. Hopefully that can happen, but that's a bummer. Well, we'll see how this goes, and hopefully they don't go to changing shift, because right now it's 5:45. At least I'm still surprised they're still processing us. So hopefully I can make it back to the gate before they decide they want to change shifts.
I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
Okay, let's see if we can get back in line. Line cleared a little bit. I'm gonna try and bypass all these guys. I wonder if that guy too is going back in line. I don't think so. So I want to bypass all these guys and try and get this guy is going. Well, I have to wait for him because I don't think I can squeeze my way through here. I'll try and see if I can. If I can. If I can. If I can. Alright. Now we wait and see if this time they get me in. My first load has just been a mess. It's 8 o'clock and I'm still in line. These guys are on changing shift. The girl came here about maybe 10 minutes ago, took my information, not yet back. So this first load is really all messed up. So it's 8 o'clock. I'm still here. Guess what time it is? 2200, 10 p.m. That's when I'm leaving this place. Remember, I got here about 4:30, and this was supposed to be a drop and hook. Now it's 10 o'clock. I'm ready to go back to the yard.